Yo, y'all, Proud Mixed Child is watching all the way from Puerto Rico. She's in the building. I remember learning that yesterday. I think I met her yesterday. I think I met you from Chicky TV, right? I think Chicky TV sent me your way. You see all this beautiful positivity, Ashley, in this chat, girl. Why? I don't see how no one, everybody is not starting. Oh yeah, you are a child. You did say that yesterday. I'm so sorry. You are a guy. I'm so sorry. I'm going to get it right one day. Charge it to my mind and not my heart. I promise I didn't do it on purpose. I remember now that you said that yesterday in the chat. You are a male. Thank you for not taking it personal. I appreciate you. It's so hard to see the small profile pictures. Puerto Rico is a beautiful place. Yes, my grandmother is from Spain. My great-grandmother, my mother's grandmother is Spanish from Spain. And I was told when I was in middle school, big shout out from United Kingdom, London in the building. That's right, everybody. Shout out where you from. I'm from the States. I'm from United States of America, and I am in Western New York. So shout out where y'all watching from so everybody can see the vibes in the chat. We got people from all over, different walks of life, different nationalities, different cultures, and it's just phenomenal. Why wouldn't you want to be in a space vibed with different cultures, different ways of living? Our American way is not the only way, and it's so phenomenal. ¿Tú hablas español? Do I know Spanish? Not a lot. My mom used to speak Spanish here and there when I was little to other people. But no, I never learned it. I would love to learn, though. And I hear it's easy. I hear the American language is the hardest language to learn. English. I hear English is the hardest because we have so many words. Like in Spanish, this is what I hear, correct me if I'm wrong, that y'all kind of put some of our words together and make it one word. Like, we got too much, the English dictionary. It's just too much. But I hear Spanish is one of the easier languages to learn. But I always struggle with it. I know buenos noches. I know colors, rojo. But sentences and stuff, I don't really. But my great-grandmother was from Spain, and I remember one of my teachers telling me in middle school that everybody who even has a little bit of Spanish in them should visit the island. So I definitely want to visit the island before I leave this earth. I want to take my kids. I do. I want to make it a part of our homeschooling journey to be able to visit different countries and different cultures. I want to visit Africa. I want to visit Puerto Rico. I want to visit Spain. I want to visit London. So, Miss Serenity, when I come to London, baby, you going to show me around? Serenity, you going to show me around London? Because I would love a tour guide. I would love to come see what it looked like in London. Like, I would love to learn the cultures. Yes, of course. I'm going to hold you to it, Serenity. I am going to hold you to it, boo. Philadelphia in the building. My mother is Mexican and Puerto Rican, and my father's African, Bengali, Indian, Choctaw, Native American, and Chinese. My African roots come from Cameroon. I speak English, some French, Spanish fluently, and Mandarin Chinese fluent. Wow, that is impressive. Proud Mixed Child. I see why you live up to your name. Proud Mixed Child. I know. See, that's what I was talking about in the beginning of my life. Being able to stand in your truth. That name right there says it all. Like, being able to stand in your truth and being loud and proud about it. Like, you're a mixed child, but you didn't let it define you. I know growing up here in America, it was hard being a young child growing up mixed. And now I'm in spaces where it's accepted, where people have channel names like Proud Mixed Child. I love it. The creativity in that. And the fact that you're owning and claiming your truth. You're not letting nobody bash your truth or come for your truth. I love it. I love it. And it's so inspiring. My boyfriend is Mexican. His from Texas, USA. Oh, really? Miss Serenity. I like it. Y'all know